Good customer service is the lifeblood of any organization. 83% of online shoppers will abandon a purchase or take their business elsewhere if they aren't helped within 5 minutes. 43% of consumers see companies as helpful, but not doing anything special to keep their business. 70% of buying experiences are based on how the customer feels they are being treated. How a company addresses these statistics determines the quality of their customer service. Good customer service fully satisfies the questions and needs of the customer. Good customer service ensures brand loyalty and repeat shopping. It takes a very special individual to excel at customer service.
It takes a very special individual to excel at customer service. The skilled individual is adaptable, articulate, attentive, caring, compassionate, confident, curious, flexible, friendly, goal-oriented, helpful, kind, motivated, patient, persuasive, a problem solver, and tenacious. In addition to computer skills, a calming presence, and an effective team player.